Hello everyone, I am Poonam Vohra and I welcome you to part 10 of our series Overcoming the Challenges. In this session, we'll focus on tackling image-based questions, a crucial aspect of the CBSE Economics Exam. We will discuss today the strategies to interpret, analyze and answer the questions which are based on visuals, ensuring clarity and precision. So, by the end of this session, you will have the tools to confidently decode and respond to any image-based question you encounter in the exam. Image-based questions include photographs, charts, tables, and diagrams. They assess observation, data interpretation, analytical thinking, and ability to link visuals to economic concepts. So they test students' conceptual understanding, critical thinking, application of knowledge, and clarity in explaining real-world economic scenarios effectively. Let's begin step by step. Step 1. Carefully observe the image. Begin by examining the image thoroughly. Identify what the image is about and take note of any visible details or labels. For example, in a table showing GDP data, look for headings like sectors or growth rates. Also, if it is a picture of rural market, observe elements like products, people, or infrastructure. Step 2. Identify the context. Relate the image to the economic topic it represents. Look for visual clues. If it is graph, table, or data, find out the concepts like GDP, national income, or elasticity, or whatever is given. If it is picture, find out laborers are there, market is there, or is it relating to topic like employment, infrastructure, rural marketing? And in case it is a map or diagram, look for the topics that relate to trade, development indicators, resource allocation, and so on. Once again, to identify the context, you need to be thorough with the topics. Step 3. Understand the question. Read the accompanying question or instructions carefully to determine what aspect of the image needs to be addressed. For example, what does the table indicate about the contribution of the agricultural sector to GDP? That means you need to focus on the contribution of agricultural sector to GDP. Or identify and explain the economic issue depicted in the image. So find out what economic issue is being depicted and write answer based on that. Step 4. Link the image to relevant economic concepts. Use your knowledge to connect the visual information to the topic it represents. For example, a bar chart is shown with rising unemployment. One can easily link it to the concept of cyclical or structural unemployment. Or suppose there is a picture of a busy rural market. Looking at the image, you can link it to the significance of rural marketing in economic development. Step 5. Analyze, explain, and conclude. You need to break your answer into clear logical parts. That is, describe the image. Briefly describe the key details of the image. For example, the table shows the GDP contribution of different sectors over 5 years. Then relate to the question. Then explain what the image indicates about the topic. For example, the data suggests a decline in agricultural sector's share of GDP, indicating economic diversification. Then provide insights, that is, analyze the image and provide reasoning or implication based on your observations. For example, the declining share of agriculture shows the transition towards an industrial and service-based economy. Then finally, summarize your interpretation or conclusion in 1 or 2 lines. For example, continuing with the same, this reflects a structural transformation in the economy as seen in the developing countries. Let's have a look at the example. You visualize that there is an image which shows a farmer using advanced machinery. Relating to it, the question given is, explain its significance for rural development. Now your answer must comprise of 3 aspects: 1, description, 2, analysis, and 3, conclusion. In the description, you must write that the image shows a farmer operating a tractor for agricultural purposes, indicating mechanization. In analysis, you must write that mechanization improves productivity by reducing manual labor and increasing efficiency. So it supports rural development by boosting agricultural output and income, enabling farmers to compete in larger markets. And finally, the conclusion must include adoption of advanced technology in farming is essential for modernizing agriculture and supporting economic growth. By including these 3 aspects, your answer would be considered as complete. Now, a few tips for answering image-based questions. First one is stay focused on the question and avoid over-analyzing details which are irrelevant to the question. Next, use economic terminology. Always include terms like GDP, multiplier, infrastructure, and so on. Then, organize your answer by following a clear structure. As I just explained in the example, it should comprise of description, analysis, and conclusion. Practice common patterns. Use past papers and NCERT examples for preparation. Keep your description and analysis to the point and within the word limit. So by following these steps, you can confidently tackle image-based questions. I hope you are now confident to connect visuals to economic concepts through your observation and analytical skills and excel in this question type. Thank you for joining this session on tackling image-based questions. In our next video, we will explore part 11 of CBSE Economics Exam Preparation Series, focusing on case-based questions. These require a deeper understanding of real-life scenarios and the ability to apply your knowledge effectively. So, stay tuned as we guide you through step-by-step strategies to master this essential skill for your exams. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Ecostudys channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.